for all of us that love cats, you know that they can cause a little bit of a problem outdoors. We've just gotten all the beds ready for the springtime, and the cats have also found a new litter box. So I have some barriers that will help with that problem outdoors. Now this is just a bird netting. We've used it on our fruit trees, on our blueberry plants, but you can also put it around plants or areas that cats are using. Cats just don't like to walk on it, it gets stuck in their claws. There's also a little barrier that you could use with forks. You find the area that they're using and you just kind of push these into the dirt. The cats rub against them and it kind of keeps them away. They don't want to get in there. And these are hazelnut shells. If you have containers that you're finding that cats are digging in, you can just put this on the top as a top dressing, and they don't like those sharp edges. Again, it's not really dangerous to them, but they just don't like digging in it. We also found this product called Cat Stop. It's an ultrasonic cat deterrent, so it sends out waves and it annoys them. It doesn't hurt them, but annoys them and drives them from the area. Another product that people have found successful is called the Scarecrow. And what it is a motion-sensitive device that you hook up to your hose. And so when the cats walk by, they break that barrier and the hose shoots water at them and it scares them away. So with the Scarecrow and the Cat Stop, it is really important that you move it around the yard, because if you have it in the same place all the time, they're just going to go right by it and go right back to their business.
So now we're going to turn to some deterrent and repellent products. Now, I have to say that over the years, they used to all smell terrible, but these have gotten a lot better. Let's take this one, for instance. This is for cats or dogs. And what I like about this one is it does say that it's for the indoor and outdoor areas. So you might want to test it in your own house to see if you really want to use it indoors, but if it says it on the label, that means it works there. And then you can jump over to this Bonide product, which I like too, but this is for outside. And it's just several different oils mixed together. This also works mostly as a repellent because it's the smell that gets into their nostrils. They don't care for that, and in their minds it says, you gotta run away from this, so that keeps them from coming back to that area. So this last product is another Bonide product, and it's called Go Away. And the reason I like it is it's granular, so when you're outside you can sprinkle it around where you see the action happening, and that will cause the animal to run away to another place. Now, just a reminder that with the Bonide products, look for this brown shoulder to show that it's an all-natural product. And then also we wanted to tell you that like humans, animals are kind of creatures of habit. So you're going to see your cat will find a place, and that's where they tend to go until you do one of these products. But then pay attention to where they go, because they're not going to just wander around all over the yard. They'll find their place, and that's the next place you go to put the product down. And you know, you could spend a small fortune if you just try to cover your whole yard, but if you pay a little bit of attention, it can be a savings of money to you, and it'll really make your cat happier too.